Now it's recording. It doesn't matter, it's recording. But that's, so go here.
Cross.
Yeah, okay. You can start. Watch.
You haven't started it
It's
already.
recording, it's fine. Yeah, I can just edit out where you did. Oh, those little papers. You're so uncomfortable in front of the camera.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
And just talk.
Hello everyone.
Why are you laughing so?
I don't know. Hello everyone. Having a super time here this evening. This is Ian Truelove, #1 fan of my dear wife Jean Truelove. Truelove Quilts for you. We just want to say thank you to everyone who follows and encourages me as I watch my dear wife on her YouTube channel. And what I want to do is just tell a story. Around 3 months or so ago, my wife Jean was sent some complimentary fabrics from equilter.com. She's been very pleased with their company, their fabric selection, and the easy way to navigate their website. And she's not sponsored in any way by eQuilter, but she's recommended equilter.com to her faithful YouTube friends who follow along with many of her tutorials. The fabric that Paul and Luann Rubin sent Jean from eQuilter was an exclusive fabric line, and it was honouring Ukrainian culture. The one panel in particular they sent is here in this quilt, showing a beautiful lady in a garden in the costume of the country, and it really is quite stunning. The Rubins asked Jean to create something if she wanted to, and to let them know about it. Jean has a complete playlist on previous videos of how she created this kaleidoscope quilt, detailing all the many steps. Over there is her video production center. She does a great job. I enjoy watching them. So she sent a photo of the completed quilt to eQuilter, and they've just responded, where Jean initially sent this email. She said, "Dear eQuilter, I wanted to share with you my latest quilt I made with the Ukrainian themed panel that was so generously sent to me by Paul and Luann Rubin. It's not an easy beginner pattern, but I soldiered through, having never made a kaleidoscope quilt before, and I love how happy it turned out. I really enjoy eQuilter and do my best to encourage my YouTube friends who watch my channel, Jean Truelove on YouTube. They watch at every turn, and I'm encouraging my friends to visit your wonderful website with a fabulous selection of luscious fabrics. Thank you so much again, Jean Truelove." And Paul Rubin, the owner of eQuilter, sent a couple of days ago, in fact today, this response: "Thanks so much, Jean. We've just posted your quilt on our Facebook page, and there's the link that Jean will be putting in the video. later for you all. And we want to just take a moment to thank you, all you followers, all you subscribers, is it called, on YouTube, who've been so kind, especially to consider what we've been through with tornadoes, floods, house loss, just recently this rear ender collision that Maxwell and I are trying to recover from right now. They've all been stories to tell, and thanks, Jean, for recounting them with a lot of humour. The good news is we're recovering well, Maxwell and I, and we've just heard that our favourite vehicle, our VW Atlas, is going to be repaired. It's not totaled. We love the vehicle. We've only had it for a few months, but we certainly recommend it to anybody. What a fabulous, strong vehicle. The person that rear-ended us, their vehicle is absolutely demolished, totaled. But that's it. Hope you enjoy the video, and especially the tutorials, and we thank again eQuilter and all you subscribers. Hope you enjoy this video as well.